know kung may mga kasama tayong Mindanaoan dito from Visayas. So, may hapon sa inyong tanan. So, I'll just have my very short message. So, to our dear colleagues, of course, yung mga chef na kasama natin dito, mga queens and media friends, afternoon to all. Good afternoon po. And I'd like to greet also yung vice namin, si Alfred, na siya po talaga yung nag-share. And of course, our past chairman, si Mr. Dan Haveliana, and Tita Elsa. So, as we all know, last year, some of you were with us now when we did our first Hug Festival, and getting a new world Guinness record for the most number of pork dishes, no? Display, 330 dishes po yun. So, this year, medyo iniba natin kasi wala naman pong nag-challenge, wala naman pong ano. So, we remain, no? Yung Guinness record natin. Unless merong nag-challenge, so we will, baka gagawin po natin ulit. And it was a source of inspiration for our local farmer, no? Pig farmers, and a sense of pride for all Filipino consumers. This coming on May 31, it's a Saturday, the National Federation of Hog Farmers Inc. will do its a full day siya, no? Second Hog Festival with a cooking showdown between Queens versus Chef. So, maganda po ito. Dito po sa Gateway to Quantum Skyview area. It is a tamer version of the culinary wars of Netflix. A pork degustation feast will follow at the for sale tent of Novotel Manila. Dito lang po sa kabila, Araneta, of which all of you are invited to attend that night. Our team this year, sinabi na kanina, sarap ng Pinoy pork mula muso hanggang buntut, to tail. So, we'll showcase the pig as a complete source of food protein without almost no wastage. Natin, kuko na lang ata, at saka yung balahibo buhok, yun na lang. So, renowned chef and selected restaurant owners will cook up our favorite pork dishes following the snout to tail concept. It will also be our way of promoting Filipino pork cuisines. We paved the way for the Philippines to enter into the most of a Michelin guide for food. And also, the National Federation wish to thank the organizers, hosts, chef, hindi ko na po isa-isa, lahat po tayo nandito ngayon, queens, and all of you, our media friends, partners, no? Thank you po this for coming, joining us this afternoon and supporting and witnessing our official kickoff of NACFED's Hug Festival this 2025. And of course, itong event po will create siguro awareness and increase consumption in per capita, and also this will boost the local hog farmers, no, to increase yung production po namin. Dahil alam niyo po, marami pong natatakot na magparami, not only on the hog, kahit sa ibang livestock industry po, like chicken, cows, so cattle industry, aqua. So we intend this time para po magkaroon ng confidence yung mga ating mga local farmer, no? Also the purpose is once na dumami po yung ating production, of course yung prices po, alam po natin laging nasa news, medyo mataas po yung mga price natin sa wet market, supermarket. So since last year, talagang we encourage everyone, yung kasama po namin na magparami po. In this case, pag marami na po tayong supply, of course, the price will adjust itself. Bababa po yan. So, thank you very much. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. God bless us all. Thank you.
Those who don't know me yet, I'm Chef Miggy Cabel Moreno, and I'm a very proud Mindanaoan chef. And I'd like to welcome you once again to this wonderful media launching of this event. Well, I was tasked today to speak about the experiences that we've had last year when we participated with the same kind of events with the Hog Festival in partnership with NATFED, and we did a degustation dinner for the Guinness World Record certificate that we achieved last year. And just to give you an idea, last year what we did is, together with other Filipino chefs, we created dishes using pork. Because NATFED, their purpose is to make sure that they support local farmers and that we create the awareness to be able for us to enjoy pork dishes in our country. This year, for the degustation, it will also be partnered with not just myself, but a lot of very talented chefs, Filipino chefs, and as well as international chefs from the Araneta City, some of which have stores here at this event this afternoon. And we are all tasked to prepare wonderful dishes that will use the main ingredient, which is pork, mula muso hanggang buntot. And for you to be a little bit more excited and to expect on what to come, I will share with you today that what I and my team will be preparing on that day will be a deconstructed pork binagoongan. And the other dish will be a pork liver pate. So these are just two of the things that you will be looking forward to on the said events on the 31st of May. So with that being said, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here, and we hope you enjoy the rest of this afternoon's event.
Okay, ito na po yung ating ceremonial cutting of the lechon. And of course, Chairman Emeritus Dan Hagiliana. Hello sir, good afternoon. Ayan. Na-excite na kasi lahat ng tao, di ba? Natakam. Lalo dito sa ating kick-off ng Hog Festival. Wow! Handa na ba kayo marinig yung lutong ng batok ng lechon? O, di ba? Di ba nakadibs na tayo? Alright. Oo. For photo po muna. First photo op natin to. Later we will call on the chefs, of course, in our to join in on the photo op.
1, 2, 3,
Tingin sa camera.
Alright. Okay.
Ito po, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Center.
Smile lang, smile lang.
Ayan.
One po here.
Alright, here we
Okay,
go.
countdown.
3, 2, 1! Ayan na ang ating... Oh, ang lutong. Dapat pag tinapat ko yung mic para mas narinig ng mga tao sa likod. Pero rinig na from where we are. And that is it, diba? Sarap ng Pinoy pork mula ang puso hanggang buntot is officially on! Woohoo! Alright, and at
Sige na,
this point...
sir.
Okay, isa pa raw para sa ating
Sige po,
friends from the press.
Sige po, 1, 2, 3, game.
Kailangan daw lahat ng angulo makunan.
Yes, yes, yes.
Dahan-dahan lang daw, sir, kasi kakainin natin yan mamaya. But please stay there where you are because we're calling in our notable chefs from the Philippines. Siyempre, ang ating mga Pinoy Pride, Chef Roland Laudico. Chef, of course, Madam, si Miss Jacqueline Laudico. Chef Dedet de la Fuente. Eto na si Chef Miguel Cabel Moreno. Chef EJ Buenaflor. Chef Nathaniel Uy. And of course, Chef Tatong Sardo. Dito po tayo sa harap and our queens. Let's call it our queens para lang po. Uurong lang ako ng saglit para syempre Binibining Pilipinas First Runner-Up 2024 Crystal Jean de la Cruz. Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024 Jasmine Bungay. And Binibining Pilipinas Sasa Girl. O diba, Sasa, nasa ka na? Ayan na. Mauna ka na sa Lechon Mars, ha? Oo, gutom na. Ayan, Osman.
Nakaraw yung mga tao eh. Kailangan...
Buti pala nag-uurong tong mic, di ba? Para guys, find your place para sa ating bonggang-bonggang pa-pictorial. Ito ang ipapublish. Kailan na yan, dito tayo sa dito. Urong ko lang.
Smile lang po ha, kanya. Yan. Smile lang po, yes.
Ayan. Smile! Gusto niyo po umatras? Meron po tayong
Thank you po. Here po for Araneta City. 1, 2,
Smile!
one more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. One more here po. Ay, excuse me.
Pala, kaya pala stapler.
Jay, huwag mo konti dito.
Thank you so much.
Yan. Dito sa akin. Doon sa matanda ang tingin, sa matanda. O, yung iba pa ang kayang kumuha na. Yung ganito kalayo kasi otherwise, kita yung paligid. Okay, sige, go.
Chop, chop.
Okay na dito, gawin nyo na yung action shot.
Sabi ng isa nating queen kanina, pwede raw ba pag-chop diretso na sa bibig? Oo, get a piece. Yun daw yung talent fee. Alright. Malapit na. Malapit na. We have to learn more about the D-Day, the big event this coming end of the month sa ating Hog Festival na napakadami po nating aabangan. There you go!
Okay, sige, supo.
Oo, palaban. Nakadalawang bite na yan. Oo. Nabilang ko talaga eh. Kasi, ako